till Monday morning feels another life. I turn the music up, I wanna roll this time, and heaven is inside.
Turn the lights up, please. I want to see you, LA. Serious amounts of respect to you dressed in bikinis this warm spring evening. That's pretty fucking awesome of you guys to really fucking bring it properly tonight. You know, you guys, do you have a lot of friends? It's a good feeling to have a lot of good friends, right? Like the kind of friends that would sort of help you move apartment on a Sunday even though they don't want to. Or like carry you home after a crazy night when you've been too hammered, when you're fucking wasted. Or the kind of friends that would come to your going away party, even if it's fucking winter. They would come dressed like it's fucking summer. That's the kind of friends we have. And that's all of you right here. And we love you for that, LA. We came, we raved, we fucking love you.
It's a waterfall.